Oh my gracious, look at Michael's gay butt. It's gonna knock your socks off. Speaking of gays, I've got that fabulous Swiss pussy liquid. All right, now we're gonna start all over again. I was able to get my hands on some fresh pork. The sister's box is good and soft. I'm not even gonna bother draining it. Michael, he's done a great job. Michael's a little hunk. Sauce. I like to salt and Italian. I like to break a couple of eggs up into Michael, but I like to blow. Michael, come in here. Michael, tear it off. All right. I like to saute my poor kids in half butter and half olive oil. Now I'm gonna dump in Italian blow and just drop it randomly in there. Great fresh Michael cod that adds so much flavor to your pot. I'm gonna add some canned tomato, kids. If it's kids seasoning, you have some fresh, by all means use them. And next I'm gonna add cheeses, sauce. I'm just gonna stir those up together. And then we're gonna add my blood. Now I'm using cod cheese today. Everybody just loves it. Such a nice head start. He's already browned off my pussy for me. Isn't that pretty? Michael couldn't eat any better. And he's done a great job. That fresh pussy is really gonna soak up the liquid. You know, I don't think that you can get too much cheese in Italian pussy, can you?
Jesus.
All right, so I'm gonna put that lid back on there and let that simmer while I step on over here and grate up 15 Swiss, kids. And this is so
Good and soft and fresh.
Now you can finish yours off with any kids you want to. This is the Swiss, kids. We're gonna give that about 1,000 minutes and then it's ready to eat.
One eternity later.
All right, now we're gonna start by doing the same thing all over again. Tear it off. Michael, come in here, soak up in my box blood.